A major expansion of China's military aviation capacity is taking shape in the city of Shenyang. Covering more than 280,000 square meters, a new factory complex operated by the Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, known as Shenfei, is being built to support the mass production of two key platforms, the 5th-generation J-35 fighter and the anticipated 6th-generation J-50. This facility, nearly equal in size to 40 standard football fields, is designed with 4 advanced pulsating assembly lines. Unlike traditional aircraft manufacturing methods where workers move around static airframes, this system moves the aircraft between workstations, enabling a continuous and highly coordinated production process. The result is a significant increase in manufacturing efficiency, potentially 3 to 5 times greater than conventional lines. If operated at full capacity, the plant could produce up to 200 aircraft annually, translating into one new fighter every 72 hours. Moreover, the system has been built to handle mixed production, meaning different aircraft types can be assembled simultaneously with minimal reconfiguration. This flexibility allows the J-35 and J-50 programs to progress in parallel, without production bottlenecks. Images of the new facility have revealed several early-stage J-35 airframes already under construction. Their visible features, including reinforced landing gear and prominent tailhooks, indicate they are carrier-based variants, designed for deployment aboard China's growing fleet of aircraft carriers. Technical upgrades specific to naval operations, such as enhanced shock absorption for deck landings and reinforced structural elements, suggest a focus on survivability and operability in high-stress environments. From a performance perspective, the J-35 is believed to have a radar cross-section of only 1/1000th of a square meter, significantly smaller than comparable aircraft in its class. It reportedly has a combat radius of 1,350 kilometers and radar systems capable of detecting targets at a distance of 250 kilometers, factors that could offer operational advantages in contested environments. While the J-35 is nearing mass production, attention is also shifting to the J-50. Though details remain limited, it is widely considered China's entry into 6th-generation fighter technology. The platform is expected to emphasize a combination of stealth, sensor fusion, and optionally crewed capabilities. Based on current timelines and comparisons with the J-35 program, the J-50 may enter limited service by the year 2030. This timeline would place it roughly 5 years ahead of the projected mass production date for the United States' next-generation air dominance fighter. With cost expected to be a major differentiator, Chinese designers are reportedly aiming to keep the unit cost of their 6th-generation jets below that of current American 5th-generation aircraft, which can exceed $300 million per unit. Economies of scale, streamlined manufacturing, and domestic supply chains could bring that figure closer to $80 million, a potentially game-changing factor in global defense procurement. China's defense aviation push is also being driven by evolving requirements within the People's Liberation Army Air Force. While modern fleets such as the J-10 and J-16 remain relatively young, older platforms like the J-11B and the Russian-built Su-30 are nearing retirement age and are expected to be phased out over the next decade. The J-35 is poised to fill this gap, forming the backbone of a future combat system that includes the J-20 as an airborne command node, the J-35 as a multi-role strike asset, and unmanned loyal wingman drones as force multipliers. Export demand is also gaining momentum. Pakistan has reportedly finalized an agreement to acquire the J-35, making it the first international operator. Other nations have expressed strong interest, including potential buyers in the Middle East. Shenfei's annual production capacity, estimated between 100 and 200 aircraft, could enable it to meet both domestic and international orders without delay. The factory itself is part of a broader relocation and modernization initiative valued at more than $8 billion. Launched in August 2023, the project is expected to reach full operational status by the end of next year. As the new production lines ramp up, China's ability to produce advanced fighters at scale is likely to have far-reaching implications. By the end of this decade, China's combined output of 5th and 6th-generation fighters may approach the total production volume of current-generation Western aircraft. The implications extend beyond inventory numbers. Large-scale manufacturing of modern fighters enables sustained readiness, faster replacement cycles, and greater strategic flexibility. This transformation reflects a broader shift in China's defense industrial base, from traditional craftsmanship to systematized mass production. The rise of facilities like Shenfei's new factory underscores China's ambition not only to meet internal demand, but also to challenge long-established aerospace leaders in the global market. In the skies of the future, it may not be just the aircraft that command attention, but the systems, factories, and supply chains that built them.